Hello YouTube, this is Dynamic FA. This is third tutorial of Flexi Pendant of ABB robot. Click menu and you can see program editor. Program editor, you can edit program, and also you can you can move the robot to the position already programmed. When you see the move, when you see the screen, then there's a many 1 2 3 5 menus at the bottom, but already 3 they are all disabled because of the robot is in automatic mode. So before you do anything, you have to put the robot into the manual mode. I'm going to start from the add instruction sidebar menu first. If you click that, then you can see the menus on your right hand side. So you click here, then you can see many different types of instruction set. I'm going to add wait time command on the command, and also you can change the set of menu by pressing next or previous button, like this way. And now I'm going to add wait time instruction, wait time here. The wait time, if you click that wait time, then you can enter time. So you click number 1 2 3, then you can enter the number. You say 1, then that means 1 second in the program. And do you want to insert instruction or below the instruction above or below the currently selected line? If you select above, it will go above the line, and then below it does go under the line. I'm going to select below, then you can see wait time added under the first line. So that question always ask you when you have a cursor top of the routine, the first line. This is how you can add instruction. I'm going to add one more time. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Then now ask us again. Then I click above. Then it'll go above. Now I'm going to looking at the copy, edit, sidebar menu. You can just move the cursor in any position, and you can copy and move the cursor again, paste. Then you can do easily copy and paste. Same thing, cut, paste. You can do cut and paste as well. And even you can select multiple line with the select range. And here, then you can select 3 lines and copy and paste. You will see another 3 lines. Copy it, and you can delete. Select the line and then delete. Okay, and also if you go to top, press go to top, then you can go to top of the module. Same thing, you go to bottom, then you can go to bottom of the module. So we already have another routine initialized. I'm going to delete that routine first, and then I will show you how to make new one. Just quickly go back to there. Here, if you want to delete the routine, and select and delete routine. That's it. It's very easy. Same thing. File, new routine. Then you can change the name I want R initialize. Okay. Show routine. Then you can see the new routine here. Same thing. And now this time I'm going to add a few motion command, and we are going to check how to move the robot following the saved position. Add instruction, motion, command, you click that, then you can see motion. And you can see all the motion command here. I'm going to add move J. This, if you add, then it's already made that position in the program. This star mark, this position is saved already. I'm going to move the robot to right a bit and stop and add move L. Move L. It asks you again. I'm going to add below. Okay, one more. I'm going to move a little bit up, a little bit up. Sorry, a little bit up. Okay, and move L again. Okay, we have 3 lines. I'm going to show you how to use debug menu. We have debug menu. You can control the program pointer to the place you want. Firstly, we're going to check pp to main. If you click that, program goes to the top of the main routine here. And another menu is very popular, pp to routine. So you want to get into the routine, then you click that, then you can see all the routines inside the program. Here, like this. Then now it's inside the R initialize routine. If you want to execute commands, then you need to set up the program pointer and enable deadman switch. If you click forward, then it will stop at the position. And also, you can forward. Okay, like this. Now, we have 2 more menus related to program pointer and cursor. pp to cursor. pp to cursor. If you click that, then I will click this one. This cursor here, and then pp to cursor. Then you can see cursor program pointer move to cursor. Another way, you don't know where the program pointer is, but this is not the sample. But if you have very long program in the routine, then you can the pendant can display everything. So you have here, but you can't see where the program pointer is. Then you can go easily. Probably I can make it like this situation, adding some command. Okay, let me see. I add wait time 1 second. Okay, and even you can copy paste, copy paste. Okay, now say the cursor is here, but like this, your program pointer here, but your cursor is here. Then you can't see where the program pointer is. you click cursor to PP, bang, then the cursor move to program pointer. And these four is very popular position. So when you do forward, then robot is here, this one here. This is the position of the robot. But program pointer is on the next line, because robot finished this first instruction and is waiting for next instruction executed. Okay, this is the how you can add and edit and debug. And if you want to change the position, saying this one here, you can you want to move the program pointer to cursor, then move like this. And then if you want to modify this position, you can move the robot and modify position, then it will ask you confirmation, modify. Then you can see the difference in the program. Debug PP to cursor, and if I start, okay, this is the position, past it, go up, come down, further, and come back. You can see the move J position has been changed. Okay, this is about the program editor window. We have another window, production window. Production window is this. It can show you where the program pointer is and cuts is, and this can be popularly used in auto mode. So when you do auto mode, so you go auto, acknowledge, okay, and now it's in auto mode here. And then if you start the program, normally we do pp to main, yes, then it goes to top of the main routine, and then you start the program, because the main routine is very important. It has very special meaning on the ABB robot program. So all the program, you can reinitialize things, then everything have to be through the main program. Okay, this is all about program editor and production window. Thank you so much. Bye.